Okay, so this is a tone demo for the sound I use when playing Generate by Johnny Marr. The rig is Johnny's Jag, playing into a diamond compressor, GT 100 down there, into a Strymon Blue Sky reverb pedal, and then that's going into a 2 amp setup. So I've got a Fender Blues Junior over there and a Super Champ over here. So now I'll demo some of the sounds you get using that. Okay, so I'll start with position the bridge pickup on the Jag, which is the one I use in the cover, and it sounds like this. Okay, so I'm now moving the pickups into the 3rd position, and this is what you get. That compares with that bridge. Both really lovely. And then finally I'm going to move it into the 1st position, which is both of these pickups acting as one big humbucker basically, and that sounds a lot more beefy. We've got really full sounding. Go back to that 3rd. And then the bridge. So I really like the way the Jag lets you get quite different characters for the same song. So here's a couple of examples. So this is on that 4th position. And this is moving it to that 3rd position. How'd you choose? So this is the signal chain for the sound that I was just demonstrating. So it starts with a diamond compressor, and you can see the settings there. You've got compression round to about 2 o'clock, EQ just a little bit left of 12, but that's because I'm in a room here that's not got the best acoustics. It's got hard floors and things, so I just have to take a bit of the treble off and the volume as you need. Okay, and then onto the GT 100. So settings are, let's move that so you can see it. So the signal chain is the first thing that's turned on is FX2, and the FX2 is on the tone modify feature, which is set to fat. You've got various options there. We're on fat. Everything else is untouched. Okay, so we've got no overdrive. The next thing in the chain is the preamp setting, and I've got this set to the tweed mode, up very little gain, in fact as little as you can get, because I want this super clean. So that's set to 3. T comp, I'm not even sure if I know what that is, it's on +1. Bass 60, middle 26, treble 44, present 0, so it's a little bit scooped, and the rest of it left as is. Okay, next thing I'm using is a pitch shifter. So this is set to the slightly detuned mode, so it's on single voice and the pitch shift is set to 0. But then when you go to the next page of settings, you use the PS fine setting and set that as you like. I've got it on +10, which just about gives it a little bit of detune, but not too much. It's on the medium mode. The rest of it is as it comes. Next setting is chorus. So I've got chorus set to stereo because I'm using the 2 amp setup, and that gives a really huge sound swirling around. I've got rate set to 44, depth 33, the effect level 82. Everything else is again as comes. Delay, got a tape delay time of 387 milliseconds, feedback of 41, and effect level of 94. So it's quite a lot of delay there. And that is it on the GT100, which only then leaves, move this, the blue sky, reverb pedal, and I'm using the normal reverb mode, not modulated, and the room setting, and you can see the settings there. And that's all then feeding into 2 amps. As I said, you've got the Blues Junior and the Super Champ.